The movement of the air masses and ocean waters contains a large amount of energy that has traditionally been exploited by man for transportation and, more recently, to produce electrical energy. Marine energy sources can come from the ocean, such as energy from the waves, currents, tides, and the temperature and salinity gradients. It can also come from wind, such as with offshore wind energy. The regions of the Atlantic area in Europe have joined together in the project called Atlantic Power Cluster in order to take advantage of renewable marine energy resources and their industrial value, and also to identify future challenges for the development of marine energy.
El proyecto Atlantic Power Cluster tiene sus orígenes en el Grupo de Trabajo sobre Energías Marinas de la Conferencia de Regiones Periféricas y Marítimas de Europa, que busca crear una estrategia transnacional para el desarrollo del sector de las energías marinas renovables. El proyecto busca fundamentalmente una cooperación interregional y transnacional sobre la búsqueda de nuevos nichos de mercado para las empresas del arco atlántico, así como detectar las necesidades formativas que puedan beneficiar a nuevas capacidades profesionales que se apliquen en el sector. Por otro lado, también se busca desarrollar una estrategia transnacional sobre concienciación y sensibilización social sobre el sector de las energías marinas renovables. Y, en definitiva, se busca crear una colaboración permanente para el desarrollo del sector dentro de las regiones que configuran el arco atlántico.
The project is funded by the European Union through the Regional Development Funds, included in the Interreg programme. The project began in February 2012 and will last for 24 months. Different activities will take place as part of the project. Create studies about the situation of the renewable marine energy sector in each region in Atlantic Europe. Design a common advertising campaign in the regions to increase acceptance and social awareness regarding projects that exploit renewable marine energy. Identify market opportunities that emerge with the development of the renewable marine energy sector and those related to industrial capacity and infrastructure in each region in order to take advantage of these opportunities. Identify the professional profiles required in the emerging renewable marine energy sector and to evaluate change in the training programs in effect in the regions, so as to adapt professional preparation to the needs of the marine energy sector. Create a cluster as an instrument to facilitate cooperation in the Atlantic Europe regions in the area of marine energy. The project consortium is composed of 17 organizations from 5 European Union member states: Portugal, Spain, France, the United Kingdom and Ireland, with each member acting as a representative of a region in the Atlantic area. The members of the Atlantic Power Cluster project are Galway County Council. It is responsible for the planning and development of infrastructure and public services, environmental management and economic and community development in the Galway region. One of its objectives is to optimize the exploitation of its energy resources. National Maritime College, Cork Institute of Technology. College that offers education and training in engineering, navigation and the sciences, giving courses on navigation, communications, engineering and machine operations, liquid cargo handling, the ship traffic control systems. Scottish European Green Energy Centre develops renewable energy projects in order to overcome obstacles to the adoption of a low-carbon energy system acting as a catalyst for and accelerating the implementation of pilot projects. Plymouth University. It is a state university offering higher education, undergraduate studies, master degree and PhD. The Coastal Engineering Research Group has an extensive experience in physical and numerical modelling, in the study of energy resources from waves and tides, and in fieldwork. Lower Normandy Regional Council. Regional Authority of Lower Normandy that works to promote social and environmental acceptance of renewable marine energy projects by developing training courses and collaborating with small and medium-sized businesses and research centres specialising in renewable marine energy. Bretagne Development Innovation. Entity responsible for the management and coordination of regional economic development and innovation strategy in Bretagne. Encourages investors to promote innovation projects in collaboration with other entities. Conference of Peripheral Maritime Regions. The Atlantic Arc Commission of the CPMR encompasses the regions in the Atlantic area and seeks to promote balanced and sustainable development in the Atlantic territories, and also to encourage the exchange of best practices and improve cooperation among its regions. L'Agence Régionale Pays de la Loire Territoire Innovation is the economic development agency of the French region Pays de la Loire. The unique advantages of Pays de la Loire make this region the key place for the development of marine renewable energy in France and in Europe. A long seaboard with major port infrastructure, state-of-the-art research and training centres, as well as an industrial sector specialising in large-scale maritime equipments. Aquitaine Regional Council. The Regional Council supports the economic development of the Aquitaine region through politics turned to spatial planning, innovation, training, transportation. Sustainable development is a key challenge for the Regional Council. It invests in renewable energies and marine renewable energy. Poitou-Charentes Eco-Industrial Park. Regional network of business and research stakeholders whose goals are the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions and the improvement of the competitiveness of regional companies. For that purpose, Pôle des Eco-Industries initiate and coordinate innovative projects for industry. Basque Energy Entity, regional energy agency of the Basque Country. Its mission is to propose and implement energy strategies for the Basque Country based on criteria such as the security of energy supply, cost competitiveness, sustainability, and technological development. Energy, Environment and Technological Research Centre. Technological centre that conducts research on evaluating the environmental impact of energy, improving the competitiveness of renewable technologies, and facilitating the introduction of environmentally friendly technologies. Regional Development Agency of Cantabria. Economic Development Agency of Cantabria, responsible for implementing regional, national and European policies, programs and initiatives intended to improve competitiveness in the regional business sector. Asturian Energy Foundation. Regional Energy Agency of the Principality of Asturias. Its primary objective is to promote energy conservation and efficiency and the use of renewable energy, including renewable marine energy. University of La Coruña Foundation. University entity whose objective is to help the University of A Coruña consolidate its position both in academic circles and in different research areas, as well as in all of its other activities done in cooperation with other entities. Institute of Mechanical Engineering and Industrial Management. Technological centre that operates between the university and industry, geared towards R&D, innovation and technology transfer to industry. It has many years of experience in renewable energy, especially wave energy and marine wind energy. WAVEC Offshore Renewables, non-profit entity specializing in the development and promotion of wave energy, marine wind energy and other renewable marine energy sources through technical and strategic support to businesses, R&D institutions and public entities. In the geographical area that these regions occupy, there are designated marine areas for the testing and trial of renewable marine energy exploitation devices, hydraulic prototype test tanks, pilot projects for harnessing energy from the waves, tides and ocean currents, and commercial marine wind farms. Additionally, there are industrial ports, industries with the capacity to work on marine energy projects, and many university, institutions and technological centres which are working on developing efficient technologies for exploiting marine energy sources. The project expects to increase the economic competitiveness of the European Atlantic regions and to contribute to improving the sustainability of the European energy model, reducing its dependence on foreign energy and its greenhouse gas emissions.